So let us see the two most commonly used antibiotics in pediatric ward. The first most commonly used antibiotic is Monosafe, and Monosafe is nothing but the ceftriaxone, which is the broad spectrum antibiotic and which is the third generation cephalosporin, and it covers both gram positive as well as gram negative infections. So it is most widely used in pediatric ward. And the dose of ceftriaxone comes with the brand name, that is Monosafe, and the dose is 100 mg per kg per day, and it can be given OD or BD according to the weight of the patient. And it comes in the preparation of 250 mg, 500 mg and 1 gram as well. So for less than 10 kg, we dissolve in 20 ml and give to the patient. For more than 10 kg, we can dissolve it in 50 ml and 100 ml, and we can give for 30 minutes or 1 hour. So it comes like this in powder form, and this is, you can see the powder form of Monosafe, and along with it there is 10 ml sterile water solution. So you have to dissolve it and give as per the requirement. The another most commonly used antibiotic in pediatric ward is injection augmentin, that is injection amoxiclav, and the dose of injection augmentin is 30 mg per kg per dose TDS, that is 8 hourly. For example, for 10 kg child, and it comes in the preparation of 300 mg, 600 mg and 1.2 gram. So if it is 10 kg, if we have a child of 10 kg, then the dose will be 30 mg into kg, that is 30 into 10, that is 300 mg. So we have to give slow push over 5 to 10 minutes. It is not like ceftriaxone that we have to dissolve in 50 ml or 20 ml and give over 30 minutes to 1 hour. We can directly push it by dissolving it in 10 ml NS, and we can directly push over 5 to 10 minutes. And for example, if 13 kg child is there, then the dose will be 390 mg. So for that we have to take 600 mg, we have to dissolve it in 5 ml NS, and we have to take 3.5 ml of it so as to equal 390 mg, and along with it we have to make total 10 ml dilution by adding 6.5 ml NS, and we have to slow push it over 10 minutes. So this is the injection augmentin, which covers mostly the gram positive infections, gram positive bacteria such as Streptococcus, Staphylococcus, and it is most commonly used in tonsillitis or sore throat infections in pediatric ward.